Saving with Shay, and I'm here for my Walmart's weekend haul for you. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay with the pal. Biceps are bicepping, especially this right one right here. Can you tell I'm right-handed? What? And y'all, we got 100 days till summer. 100 days till summer. Like, where does the time go? Y'all know I'm in a high desert, so it's the summertime most of the year. Like, we get triple digits here, and it just gets nasty hot. It gets disgustingly hot. But hey, I love it. I'd rather be hot than cold. And y'all know I'm in SoCal, so gas is high as hell right now too. Gas is like, I think the Circle K got it for $5.45, and yeah, it's high. So where you at? How much is your gas? But listen, y'all, I need 18 offers for $5. I think that's what I need. I don't really feel like it's gonna happen for me today. It's just not there for me today. I did do some Target deals, so I'll pop that in at the end. I did I think 5 offers there. We go to Food for Less to get tissue because we needed some. How? Like, y'all know, like, I've had hundreds of rolls of tissue in my stockpile, and right now I have none. So I went to Food for Less and I just got 1 pack. It was $3.99. Is it $3.99 or $3.49? There's a digital you have to clip, and then there's a $2 digital. I wasn't sure if it was gonna work because it said triple and this is the double, but it actually worked on this, and so I only paid like $2 for this, which is really cool. And then I got some grapes because they were, I think, $4.49 with the digital, so I figured that was a good deal. I did go to Dollar Tree to get the Lipton because my only Walmart that carries it are sold out, and so I went and got that from Dollar Tree. Other than that, y'all, I think that's basically it. We're gonna head over to Walmart, see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. Gonna share with you guys my Target small haul as well. So that being said, we're gonna head over, see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. Want to see what you got? You want to do? Hit that button and keep on watching. All right, guys. So this first deal is on the 3 Wishes cereal, price at $6.64. You want to grab 2, you'll pay $13.28, getting back a buy one get one free offer for aisle, which is $6.64. We'll also be getting back $3 for each on Ibotta, making them only 32 cents each. All right, so the next few deals are going to be on the Ocean Spray. All of these offers did go up on the sister apps. And so the first one's going to be on the Strawberry Mango one. It's priced at $3.67, grabbing 2. You'll pay $7.34, and then we'll get back $6.50 on Swagbucks, bringing them down to 42 cents each. Now, I did try this offer on Checkout 51, and it didn't work for me. All right, and next up is going to be on the other flavors you can grab that are 0 sugar. Price at $3.67. We're grabbing 2. We'll pay $7.34, getting back $5.50 on Swagbucks, and then $1 for each on Checkout 51. It'll make both a 16-cent moneymaker. And for all these deals, I maxed out and grabbed 4. Next up is the 3-liter bottle. So this one is priced at $4.96. For this, you want to grab 2. You'll end up paying $9.82 out of pocket, getting back $7.50 on Swagbucks. There's also $1 for each on Checkout 51. I also hit a bonus of 51 cents for 2 unique offers, making them both a 9-cent moneymaker. And again, we went ahead and maxed it out and grabbed 4. Next up is the Minties. Now, I couldn't find the one that I needed for this deal. It's priced at $8.98. We have a spend 8, get back 5 offer on Fetch Reward, and we have $3 back on Ibotta. It'll bring this down to only 98 cents. All right, so this deal here, as soon as I saw this deal, you guys, I automatically thought of the $2 peelies that were on the travel size ones, but my store don't have them anymore. Well, they repackaged them. They don't have coupons on them anymore. But I was like, OMG. But anyway, so we're grabbing one, price at $5.68, getting back 4,000 points on Fetch, making them only $1.68 with a limit of 3. All right, so this next deal is on the Dove Crumble hand soap. I did it in my last video. Figured I would do it again, especially because now we have an offer on Fetch Reward. So they're priced at $3.97. We're grabbing 1. Actually, no, we're grabbing 2. We'll end up paying $7.94, getting back 725 kicks for each, which is $2.90 on Shopkick, and then $1.50 for buying 2 on Fetch, bringing them down to only 32 cents. This deal here is on the Irish Spring Body Wash. Now, you could also grab the Soft Soap Women's. I think it's priced at $5.22. So grabbing the mint at $4.97, you want to grab a total of 2 of them, you'll pay $9.94. We have an offer on Ibotta for $4 back when you buy 2, bringing them down to $2.97. Not the greatest of deals, but if it's something you need, definitely grab it. All right, y'all, so I got to build my total to 60. So this is the first thing that I'm grabbing on the Palmolive. It's on the dish soap. It's priced at $2.79. For this, you want to grab 2. You'll pay $5.58, getting back $4 on Swagbucks. Makes them 79 cents each. And I went ahead and maxed it out and grabbed 4. All right, and decided to add the Advil because I'm super close to cashing out on checkout 51. And so it's priced at $4.69, getting back $2 on checkout 51 and $2 on Swagbucks, brings that down to 69 cents. All right, next up is the Wild protein chips. I absolutely love these, you guys. They're priced at $8.99. Now, for those of you who have used my referral link, I've been getting a free one. And so I'm going to redeem one. I'll grab one of these at $8.99. I'll get that back through aisle. Makes it absolutely free for me. Now, the offer for you is $3.50 back when you buy one. It does work on the smaller bags. They're on the regular aisle. Actually, I think they might be with the jerky. They also have them up at checkout. Those are priced at $4.19. If you get back a $3.50 from aisle, it would make it only 69 cents. All right, so next up is the Tates. Now, really quick, I'm sure you can probably hear Josiah in the background. He's literally laying right next to me as I do my voiceover part, and he's asleep. So I apologize if you can hear him breathing. And so this deal here is on the Tates gluten-free chocolate chip cookies. They're priced at $5.19. There's dollar peelies on them. They're not expired. They don't expire to the end of this month, but they are scanning expired. So today the cashier ended up price modifying it for me to $4.19. We're grabbing 2 of those, getting back $4.19 on Social Nature. There's also $1 for each one I bought as well. It brings it down to only 59 cents each. All right, so next up is another one of my favorite deals. I figured since we have the Yassos paying for this, why not grab them? It's on the Perfect Bar. They're priced at 2 for $4. We have $1 back when you buy 2 on Ibotta, and then we have a 50 cents back. A limit of 5, so we'll get back $2. Brings them down to $1 a piece. All right, this is the showrunner. We always save the best for last, right? This deal here is on the Yassos. If you guys have tried these, let me know if you like them. I absolutely love these. They're priced at $5.49. Now for this, you want to grab 2, and the total is going to come to $10.98. Getting back $9 on Swagbucks for buying 2, $3 on Swagbucks, which is $1.50 for each one, and then $1.25 on checkout 51 for buying 1. It'll make this a $2.27 moneymaker for 2 of them. And of course, since your girl was greedy and I love these, we went ahead and maxed it out and grabbed 4. All right, guys, so this is my complete haul for today. Everything here worked out really, really good. I didn't have really any issues, to be honest. Actually, no, the Wild chips. So up until this point, I've been getting the 4-packs, and it's been working. I've been getting back the $8.99 for the referral link for you guys using my link for aisle. But today it only gave me back $6.97. So normally I'll just text support, and then you can talk to somebody that way. I ended up also sending them an email, and then I just said, let me just resubmit the receipt and see if it picked it up again. So we just gonna say we even now, all right? But I only got back $6.97. So I'm thinking that with the referral link, there might be a cap on it now. Please excuse Josiah upstairs. There might be a cap on it now. So I may just have to go back to I probably won't get no more, to be honest, y'all, because I have so many bags already. I like them. They're really good. I wanted to try this Korean sweet and spicy one because I haven't seen this one yet, but I might have to chill on it. And yeah, but I really appreciate those of you who have used my share link for the Wild protein chips, because I really like those. But I need to chill on it because I have way too many. But that chicken and waffle one is so good. It's really good. Matter of fact, let me mention something real quick. I just had this, y'all. I treated myself. I ate the whole thing. Yep, all 680 calories. I ate the whole thing, and it was so good. I've tried the pepperoni one, but I wanted to try this. I still have one in the freezer, pepperoni. But let me know if you guys have tried it. I really, really like it. And so whenever we get this for free, I'm definitely gonna be picking it up. And so yeah, I just wanted to mention that. I'm gonna treat myself to one of those yasos too tonight as a little treat, because I'm doing my little meal prep situation, and this is my first week in the bag, and I'm like, okay, I'm treating myself. I'm not gonna go all ham, you know, and undo what I've done, but I'm gonna treat myself. I did everything on Swagbucks today. Ocean spray I did yesterday. I did do a set of the strawberry one, and I submitted that to one Checkout 51 account for that $1 offer that shows the 3-liter ones, because I wanted to see if I was gonna get it. I didn't. It all went through yesterday, went straight through. Today I did the Yasos and the Palmolive. Those are in review along with the Advil. So I'll let you know what happens with that. And the Yaso, when I submitted it, was 8, but it's 9 now. So it makes that deal even better, which is awesome because I love me some Yaso. And so excited about that. I'm also excited about the Perfect Bars too, because I've grown to really like these. Let me know in the comments, what have you gotten free that you have really grown to like? Me, it's the Yaso, because I never bought the Yaso before. And then the Perfect Bar, and I've never bought these, and these are so good. It's like, it just tastes like just peanuts. Like, it's really good. So those are the 2 things that I have really grown to like. Let me know what you guys, and even the Miltons. I would have never ever tried this, but now I know that I like it, and so and I guess that's the point of them offering us free stuff, is to make us a fan, you know. And so that way we become customers and we make them more money. So if they could give us one free item that could lead to a, you know, a lifelong partnership, then I guess that's what they gonna do, right? And so, but yeah, so everything else here worked out good. I only did 2 of the Downy Wrinkle release because I noticed with Fetch sometimes, because my Walmart app is linked, it'll glitch. And so if I submit my receipt manually and then I go and I sync my account, it'll pick it up again. So there's a limit of 3 for that. So I just did 2. So I'm hoping once I sync it, I'll get the 3rd one, which will be cool because it'll make those some money. I come close to hitting my weekend, and I'm okay with that, y'all. Like, your girl, I'm okay with that. Like, sometimes it's just in your cards, and I'm not gonna push it trying to hit it, and I'm not trying to overspend. That's not the point of it, right? And so if I could have, I could have made it work, but I'm not trying to spend too much, right? Just to get back to 5. So for the crumble, I noticed this time again on Shopkick, I only got back 700 kicks instead of 725, but I'm not even trying to deal with Shopkick like that. I'm just going to get what I get, whatever, keep it moving. And that, let me run through these numbers really, really quick. All right, so I hope it's not too bright, y'all, because it be getting so dark in here, especially with the light coming from behind. It makes it even darker. And so I feel like I have to brighten it up, but then sometimes it kind of washes things out. So I do apologize for that. So listen, everything you see here retails $142.96. We had $2 in coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $140.96. And then getting back 67 from Swagbucks. Special award is $16. Y'all, look, I was feeling some kind of way. I was salty. I was being a salty little stanker boo thing. Because I wasn't getting none of these offers that y'all was getting on Special Award. So I went and got another account. Special Award. I had 2 a long time ago, but then I stopped because I wasn't really using one of them that much. But now I have 2 again. And so I had the Dove on the other account. Was it the Dove? Yeah, it was a Dove. And so seen from Special Award, IO was $15.63. PayPal was $15.49. Ibotta is $11.18. Field Agent was $11. Checkout 51 is $10.51. Shopkick was $5.60, and last but not least was Social Nature at $4.19. Getting back a total of $156.60 is going to make everything that you see here free, plus a $15.64 moneymaker. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I want to see a pizza emoji in the comments if you made it to the end, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.